की खूब और का बातें से टीवी।
ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Hadian baka High Court of Meghalaya kalapanmi ya ka hukum halor ka mukadma kabaydey hapadang ki Nongdie Madan bat ka sorkar jela ha ka step jong ka sit hodieng ka sautarik unaitung arajar arpusan ki nonglum khubor jong ka pati CTV kilalet banpet ya ka jinglong jingman jong ka Khyndailad hadian baka High Court kalapanmi ya ka ni ka hukum Henry layoi bagi don bun ki Nongdie Madan Kiba Pynkhein ya ka hukum jong ka High Court hakaba nadu ka por shiphoje kilas dang ban priang ya ki mar ki mata jong ki ban shong die jingde kini ki Nongdie Madan ki balas dang ban shong die jingde nadu ka por shiphoje ter kumban supan kenmau baka High Court of Meghalaya kalapanmi ya ka hukum bakitu ki Nongdie Madan ki ba klem license kimla ban priang ye ki mar ki mata jong ki ha Khyndailad kitu ki badon license pat kin yo jaka bandi ha ka jaka baki jusyong baro sikata tangda kapor kata ha kapor khat arbaji mensi hadu kapor arbaji nob haisi bat sedang biang nadu kapor nyo siteng menmiet hadu kapor Khyndailad baji menmiet bat kataru lada u lani ka General Secretary Jongka Association ki bakli bakin bud betik ya kani kapor bat bakin ompenwet ya ka yat ka yang ki kali lani ya ki brio
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello, Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music, and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.